log A multiplied by B, just like 4 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 5, is equal to log A plus log B. Good. So let's apply this rule over here while applying power rule also. So we have x is equal to log 4. Friends, let's find the value of x in this equation. Solution. Okay, given 4 raised to the power x plus 4 raised to the power x equals 160. First, we can factor out 4x. Factor out 4x. We can factor out 4 raised to the power x so that we have 4 raised to the power x bracket 1 plus 1. So that 4 raised to the power x multiplied by 1, we still have 4 raised to the power x. 4 raised to the power x multiplied by this one, we still have 4 raised to the power x. Then 1 plus 1 is already 2. Okay? We have 160 here. So that 4 raised to the power x bracket 2 is equals to 160. Now divide through by 2. We can have 4 raised to the power x multiplied by 2 divided by 2 is equal to 160 divided by 2. So that these two can cancel and we have 4 raised to the power x is equals to 160 divided by 2 is 80. So 4 raised to the power x is equals to 80. From here, we are going to take the log of both sides. Take the log of both sides. Good. So I will have log 4 raised to the power x is equals to log 80. From here, recall, when you have log m raised to the power x, okay, with the base, this will give us x multiplied by logarithm of m base b. Okay, good. So let's apply this in left hand side. When we apply it in left hand side, we are going to have x log 4 is equal to log 80. Good. Log 4 is equal to log 80. Okay, divide through by log 4 so that we have x log 4 is equals to, so divided by log 4 divided by log 4. So this can cancel. We have x is equals to log 80 over log 4. This can also be ln 80 divided by ln 4. Alright, but we are going to express further. Okay, let's express 80 with respect to 4. So I can also have x is equal to log 4 times 4 times 5 divided by log 4. Okay, so this is equal to log 4 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5 divided by log 4. But in logarithm, log a multiplied by b, just like 4 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5, is equal to log a plus log b. Good. So let's apply this rule over here while applying power rule also. So we have x is equal to log 4 raised to power 2 plus log 5, all divided by log 4. This is equal to this way, and now let's apply this power rule. Let's apply this power rule here, this power rule. So we can have 2 log 4 plus log 5, all divided by log 4. In fraction, if you have m plus n divided by x, okay, you're going to have m divided by x plus n divided by x. Let's apply this rule over here. So we can have x is equal to 2 log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 5 divided by log 4. So that we can easily cancel this one, cancel this, and we have x is also equal to 2 plus log 5 divided by log 4. Good, okay? Here we are going to do change of base. From here now, we can still have 2 plus ln 5 divided by ln 4. Still the same thing, this or this. But we are still going to express this 4 with respect to 2 and see the next thing we can get, okay? So let's proceed. So we have x is equals to 2 plus log 5 divided by log 4. Now, expressing 4 with respect to 2, we can also have x the same as 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. Now, in logarithm, recall also when you have log y b raised to power m, that is the base having the power, okay, it will be half, that is 1 over m. We take the inverse of the power, 1 over m log y base with the base b, okay. So we are going to apply this rule over here. So we have x is equal to 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 raised to power 2, which is 2 plus 1 over 2, or bracket, log 5, okay, divided by log 2. Good. Now, let's consider change of base. Note, if you have log a divided by log b is same as log a base b. So that is change of base. Let's apply it here. We can have x will give us 2 plus 1 over 2, or bracket, let's change the base to have log 5 base 2. The 5 for that. I can have x is equal to, let's take 2 as the LCM. So 2 divided by invisible 1 here, 2 times 2, we have 4, plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. So multiply by log 5 base 2, okay. So this is the value of, x. So this is the value of x. Now check. Let's check. Given 4 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x is 160, where our x is equals to 2 plus x is equals to 4, x is equals to 4 plus log 5 base 2, all divided by 2, all divided by 2. Alright, so substituting, I will have 4 raised to power, or bracket, 4 plus log 5 base 2, all divided by 2, plus 4 raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2 all divided by 2. Is it equal to 160? Okay, let's further divide. Recall, note A plus A is equals to 2A. Okay, then that is 4 plus 4 is same as 2 bracket 4. So we are going to express this 4 and 4 taken out 2. So I can have 2 bracket 4 raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 2. Will it give us 160? 4 is also 2 raised to power 2. Of 2 bracket 2 raised to power 2. Then all raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2 all divided by 2. Will it give us 160? Please, this expression and this expression are same. This 4 here, I just express it as 2 raised to power 2. Okay? Now look up what is going on here. What I have achieved is I will cancel this 2 with this 2. So that I will have 2 raised to 2 brackets 2 raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2. Will it give us 160? So I have 2 brackets 2 raised to power 4 plus log 5 base 2. Will it give us 160? Because this 2 here has cancelled the denominator 2. Okay, let's proceed. From indices, note that when you have 2 raised to power m plus n is same as 2 raised to power m multiplied by 2 raised to power n. Okay, so let's apply this rule over here. This 2 raised to power 4 will be 2 raised to power n. Then 2 raised to power log 5 over 2 will be 2 raised to power n. So I can have 2 raised to power 1. 2 raised to power 1 is same as 2. Then multiply by 2 raised to power 4. Then multiply by 2 raised to power log 5 base 2. Will it give us 160? Okay, now 2 raised to power 1 is 2. Multiply by 2 raised to power 4 is 16. Multiply by here 2 raised to power log 5 base 2 is same as 5. Will it give us 160? Now a raised to power log b base a, the answer will be b. Okay, so when you have a raised to power log b base a, the answer will be this b. So that is what I have applied here. So to have 5. So 2 times 2 raised to power 4, 16 times 2 times this 5 does 32 times 5. Is it equal to 160? Yes. So we can say left hand side is equals to right hand side. Thus is equals to right hand side. Thus the value of x is equal to 4 plus log 5 base 2 all divided by 2. Or you can still say x is equals to 2 plus log 5 divided by 4. Alright, so this is how you can solve this problem. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more Olympiad math problems. For more on circuit theory, like Thevenin's theorem, nodal analysis, star data transformation, please check my previous lessons. Thank you.